How to fade in and fade out audio in PowerDirector. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fade in or fade out audio in PowerDirector. Whether you are editing on your phone or tablet, this simple trick will help you to make your video sound more professional. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PowerDirector and import the video or audio into the project. To do that, simply open the PowerDirector app on your mobile and simply tap on New Project. And once you are in the media, you can simply go to the music or downloads a video and select your audio file or video file. And once you have dragged the audio or video file into the timeline, now let's apply fade in the audio so it starts smoothly. To do that, simply tap on audio or video track in the timeline and a menu will appear. From that menu, you can simply tap on volume. Now, in the volume section, simply look for the fade in option and simply tap on that. Now, after tapping on that, you can adjust the slider and make it adjustable for your audio or video track. And once you do that, your audio will gradually increase in volume instead of starting abruptly. Now with that, let's make the audio fade out at the end. To do that, select the same audio or video track again and go back to the volume settings. This time enable fade out and adjust the slider. And once you do that, the audio will smoothly fade out instead of stopping suddenly. And if you want more control over the fade, you can use keyframes to adjust the volume at the specific point and manually lower the volume gradually toward the end for a smooth transition. And that's it. Now you have learned how to fade in or fade out audio in PowerDirector. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.